Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Are you looking for a different way to spice up your carrots? Something different to flavor them with? Well, I have some help here. I have a lot of go-withs to share with you. Here we go. Herbs and spices that go well with carrots. Hopefully you'll find something different in this list. Allspice, basil, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, coriander, cumin, curry, dill, fennel, garlic, ginger, mace, mint, nutmeg, paprika, parsley, rosemary, sage, and thyme. Now, what about foods that pair up well with carrots? We've got a lot of different things here. You can do a lot with carrots. In the dairy area, we've got cream and cream cheese, brown butter, or just plain butter. With sweets and fruits, a lot of people like to sweeten up their carrots because they've got a natural sweetness to them, and when you pair it with something sweet, it really brings that out. Brown sugar, maple syrup, honey, molasses, raisins, apples, orange, and even lemon help to brighten up the flavor of carrots. What about grains? Carrots go well with rice, pasta, and even oats. Interesting. What about the different proteins? What do they go well with? They go well with chicken and turkey, beef, pork, and that includes ham and bacon, beans and legumes, and even walnuts. Sounds like an interesting match with carrots. In the way of vegetables, you can pair carrots with celery, kale, mushrooms, onions, parsnips. That's a really good combination there. Peas, peppers, potatoes, another good one. Spinach, sweet potatoes, and Swiss chard. I also have some suggested flavor combos to go with carrots. How about carrots with cumin and orange? That would be a sweet and spicy combination. That would be good. Carrots with maple syrup and orange. Carrots with pistachios and turnips. How about that one? Carrots with peas and onions. Carrots with cilantro and lime. Carrots with honey and balsamic vinegar. That sounds yummy. Carrots with honey and thyme. Carrots with a little bit of caraway seeds and butter. Here's another interesting option for you. How about a carrot salad made with your favorite leafy greens and top it with some shaved carrots and some clementine orange sections, and then top it with some toasted pepitas. And then a citrus salad dressing would go really, really well on top of that. And in my 101 notes, and I'll have a link to them below, you'll find a good all-purpose citrus salad dressing that would go very well with that salad. Also, in my 101 notes, I have a lot of suggested recipes that you can go to and hopefully find something that would be interesting for you, something a little different to do with carrots. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.